Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. I am a die-hard fan of blueberries, and July is National Blueberry Month. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a recipe using blueberries. And we're going to make one of my favorite muffins, blueberry muffins. And we're going to make them completely from scratch. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. These muffins are so moist and juicy. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. This will be your go-to recipe. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more muffin recipes, check out my muffin recipes playlist and my previous video, chocolate chip cookies. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your muffin pan, your flour, and your blueberries, sugar, because we're about to bake some blueberry muffins magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 extra large egg at room temperature. And I'm going to lightly beaten it. Alrighty, and into our beaten egg, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of canola oil. Going to make our muffins nice and moist, or you can use vegetable oil. 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And here's the ingredient that's going to take the muffins to the next level. We're going to add in 1 cup of blueberry yogurt. Oh yes. And it's at room temperature. It's going to give it that extra blueberry boost. Going to give it a quick whisk until everything is well blended. I forgot to add in 1 more ingredient, our lemon juice. Going to add in 2 teaspoons. Alright, so now we're going to set the wet ingredients aside while we work on the dry ingredients. In my medium bowl and sifter, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The baking powder will help the muffins rise, and the baking powder will help the muffins be tender. And sit these together, or you can whisk them. And last but not least, the star of the show, the blueberries. Going to add in 1 cup of fresh blueberries. And I rinsed them. Just going to stir these in. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And 1/2 cup of white sugar. And stir this in until everything's well combined. Be careful not to bust the blueberries. And I like this recipe because it's all in the dump in the bowl. Smells good. Love the smell of blueberries. Now the batter is going to be thick. It's all good. And it will have a bread texture. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring up my batter, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my muffin batter. Now we're ready to scoop them into our pan. We're going to scoop them in the 12-cup muffin pan, and I'm using muffin liners, or you can spray them with baking spray or grease them with butter. So we're going to use my ice cream scoop. I'm going to scoop, get a dollop of the batter like so, and scoop them into the muffin liner. Alright, as soon as I get through scooping out my batter, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my muffins together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell blueberry muffins. I just taken them out of the oven. Smells incredible. So now I'm going to let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then I'll place them onto my platter. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade, fresh blueberry muffins. Doesn't that look good? And look at the blueberries just oozing out of there. Oh, my mouth's watering. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, and I garnish it with some blueberries on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Beautiful texture. The blueberries juicy, super moist, and they're perfectly cooked, full of blueberry goodness. These blueberry muffins are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Blueberry muffin-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture. Please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.